Hi, I'm Chef Eric Greenspan. Today I'm sharing with you a ton of hacks to lighten up even the most indulgent comfort foods. And we've got some WW members here today. Let's see if they can guess how I hacked out good old ranch brownie cupcakes, mac and cheese, pepperoni pizza. Macaroni and cheese for me is my favorite comfort food. We added something to this macaroni and cheese to make it extra point friendly. Are we here? Because like, how do you eat macaroni and cheese and not go, what?
What?
Yeah, that's what I needed.
Did you use low-fat cheese?
This can't be point friendly.
This is super point friendly.
Really?
Brown rice macaroni.
Butternut squash!
No way.
You steam the butternut
This is
squash.
delicious.
Mix it. Non-fat Greek yogurt to make a yellowy cream sauce. Throw in a really strong cheese like feta.
Can I have yours as well?
Yeah, have at it. I got more in the back. I'm gonna go get it now.
This is so good.
Yeah, I don't know about you, but if I'm eating crudité, I'm eating ranch. You tell me, what did we add to this that makes it extra SmartPoint friendly?
It tastes just like ranch.
It's like elevated ranch.
Yeah, it is.
I taste lemon.
What do you
I
think?
can't tell. I don't know. It tastes like great ranch.
It didn't just taste like ranch,
Tastes
America.
like great
it tastes like
ranch.
great ranch.
Something a little fruity, maybe?
I need a guess.
You need a guess. All right.
I think apples.
Light mayo.
I taste maybe some thickening agent, maybe like a yogurt of some sort.
You want to stop there?
Yes. No. Cauliflower.
Is that your answer?
Yes.
Non-fat Greek yogurt, you were there! And I gave it to you. I do not ever go to Vegas.
Oh my God, pizza!
I mean, it tastes just like pizza.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
I think it's turkey pepperoni. That's what I think it is.
Tofu pepperoni.
2-ingredient dough. These two things mixed together is a beautiful, magical bit of wizardry. You're really maximizing your smart points. You're using less flour. The yogurt brings protein to the party.
Even if you didn't tell me that,
Yeah.
this still tastes like regular pizza.
These are brownie cupcakes. But there's something in this recipe that makes it way smart point friendly.
Almond milk.
All right, I'm gonna guess some sort of butter replacement.
Stevia, maybe?
Black beans. What? Beans?
I didn't get that.
What
no.
the-
Oh my God.
Black beans. So these brownies have no flour. That is some smart point friendly magic. Delicious and low in points. Checkmate.